Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to update dispatch without errors. I show you guys how to do it. Here is the update list. As you can see, I have the second update in my PC. As you can see, it mentioned or you can either update this one or this one. I choose to the second one. For updating the game, you just need to go to search menu and type Windows Security, click on open it. Select the virus and threat protection and select manage settings. Turn off the real-time protection and select yes. And just minimize this. Right click on the zip folder and select WinRAR and select extract to. After the extract then open it. Double click on the application and select more info and select run anyway option and select yes. Select the language and select OK option and select next and select next. Select the browse option and you just need to navigate to the game directory. In my case, I saved inside the games folder. As you can see, here is the game folder. Select the game folder and select OK, and then select next. Already exits. You will get this message. Select the yes option and select type here your game username. If you want to change, then select next option and select install. Now uncheck this option and select finish. We have successfully updated the game. Now open the Windows security we minimized before and turn on the real-time protection and then just close tab here and open the game. And the game opens up without having any problem and you will never face any game related problem guys. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.